guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fantastic. Lucy Milton here, and I'm back again with another interesting video. So guys, this video is like a continuation of another video that I made a few days ago. Go please and watch, go and check it out, go and see how I made these cereals that I'm about to put them in the freezer. So I'm going to show you how I portion them out. So before all that, let me welcome you officially into this channel. Karibu sana, you're so much welcome. If you're new here and you've not subscribed, please subscribe, click that button there and like, leave a comment, a beautiful comment, and I'll not take it for granted. I'll appreciate you. And yeah, and for my premier gang, you guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. I love you so much and thank you for being here. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I batch cook my cereals, specifically kamande, which are lentils, and beans. So yeah, so I boiled them already. I soaked them personally, boiled them, and now I'm going to package them. So before, I used to buy kwa mama mboga. You know, if you're a Kenyan, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. I used to buy in my mama mboga ya githeri, like githeri ni, yeah, you know githeri. So I wanted to say githeri in English, but it's corns and beans mixed together. So I used to buy kwa mama mboga, local vendor, and I used to have a lot of stomach problems. I don't know what was the issue. Maybe it's too much gas, or maybe they're using something else to cook. I don't know what was the issue, but since I decided to make it myself, I rarely get the issues. Actually, I don't think I do. Yeah, so that's why I decided. And of course, I became a mom. When you become a mom, you become more responsible. Yeah, that's from my own perspective. Yeah, you know, everyone has their different perspectives, but since I became a mom, I feel like I'm more responsible. I eat much healthier, because before, guys, singekuwa hapa na struggle at making boiling beans and lentils and all that. No, I didn't used to. I've already told you what I used to do. So since I became a mom, I became more responsible. I ate much healthier, because you know, at least when I make the cereals myself, I'm 100% sure that these things are clean and they're well sorted and they're healthy to eat and they're safe to eat. Yeah, that's what motherhood makes you. Yeah, so I'm going to sort my lentils, my beans. Yeah, the beans. So I bought 2 kg of each. I bought 2 kg of beans and 2 kg of lentils. So 1 kg of lentils was 250. Yeah, guys, can you imagine? What? The inflation, guys, the economy. I don't know where we are heading to. Honestly, I do not know where we are heading to. But anyway, let's pray that God continues to provide, because honestly, we have to eat. And since you have to eat, you just have to pray for provision. So yeah, here are the lentils. I bought 2 kg, so that make it 500 shillings for the lentils. And for the beans, it was 180 per kg. So I bought 2 kg, that is 390. So guys, these beans are going to take us for quite a while, because we're just a family of 3. We don't have a house manager. It's just me, my husband, and my baby. And my baby, of course, doesn't eat a lot, so it's going to take us a month or 2. Yeah, let's say a month, and yeah, to be on the safe side. So let me show you how I do it. So I have these containers, and that's why I love buying Prestige. Of course, it's not an advertisement, but I still love it anyway. So this is why I buy Prestige, because of these containers, guys. Yeah, they really come through when it comes to storage. But we're not going to use this. We're going to use this. So I have several of these containers. Yeah, you can see them. I have several of them. And usually a kg feeds like four of this. Like I portion them. 1 kg, according to our family size, it fits like 4. Because guys, when I make supper, I make sure that I make it a lot so that you can eat it tomorrow lunch. I don't cook lunch in my home. So when you come visiting us at around lunchtime and you see us giving you some soda or some juice or some tea, it's because we don't cook lunch, guys. Hey, that's a lot of work. Can you imagine? I make supper, then the next morning I make breakfast, then I make lunch, then I make it's a lot of work. No, I'm not doing that. So that's why I make a lot of food at dinner time, so that you can eat it either for the breakfast. We choose when I'm going to cook. So either eat that food breakfast time, then lunchtime we snack with something, or breakfast I make breakfast, then lunchtime we eat that food, we eat the leftover. Because now, guys, I don't cook a lot of food whereby I put the leftovers in the fridge. No, our fridge does not have a lot of, we don't put leftovers actually, not even a lot. We don't put leftovers. I always make sure that I cook food that we eat na inaisha yote. We eat, we finish. Tomorrow we cook fresh food. I don't put leftovers in my fridge. The fridge is just for things like this, like tomatoes. So this, guys, I got these tomatoes for 200 shillings. Can you see how big and juicy they look? They're so big, guys. It was 10 shillings each, and it's so worth it. So I got them hapa tu kwa duka yetu. So yeah, let's portion them. Let me get the leaves. So yeah, guys, let me show you how I portion my cereal. So guys, we're going to start. Let's start with the beans. So first, let's put 6 first. Maybe I'm going to see whether it's going to be a lot or not. So you can see this is our portion. And since we are not eating beans alone, of course there is maybe rice or chapati. Yeah, maybe sometimes we can put in some potatoes. So it's going to bulk up. It's going to be a lot. I really enjoy beans and rice, R&B. Yeah, I knew it. These beans do not like bulk up. They do not expand like kamande. So I'm going just to put like 6 portions. Other beans like nyayo, roskoko, they tend to bulk up. This is yellow bean. It did not fura, so it's not a lot. So I'm checking which one is, to make sure at least they are equal. Sikuwe nimeweka ingine mingi, ingine kidogo. So guys, do you think I'll put like equal portion? Tukiweza pima naweza pata they're equal. If you were to weigh, do you think it would have been equal? I think so. So that's it for our beans. And since they are cool, I have put them to cool down. So I'm sure you don't put things in your freezer when they're not cooled down enough, because they're going to spoil, and it's not healthy. Always make sure your food is totally cooled down. You can see how they easily stack up. That's why I love these containers, because they stack up so well. So that means that they save a lot of space. Yeah. So let's go to the lentils now. Let me get more containers. So here for the lentils, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to put like 6. But let's see. So guys, we cooked lentils yesterday, and you can see it's still a lot. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Lentils, they expand. Also they will expand, but for the yellow beans and the green beans do not really expand. So that's why the portion is 6. So if you want to save some money, or you have a big family, you can consider cooking, or cooking kamande of the lentils, because they really expand. So let me put my kamande. Let's portion them up. So first, I've already put like 6 containers. I'm going to see how much they can fill, how much this basin can fill before adding more container. So I decided to use the same spoon. So I'm just rinsing it out, because this container is making it impossible or difficult. So always make sure that whatever that you are batch cooking cools down completely before putting it in the freezer, because it can be actually poisonous. Because you can imagine the difference in temperature. Something that is so hot getting into somewhere that is so cold. So that can create an environment for the bacteria to grow in. So make sure that your food has completely cooled down. Like totally. Also, when putting something in the fridge, like maybe your leftovers, don't put them when they are hot. Please don't put them when they are hot. It's not good. So if you're new here, karibu sana, you're welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing, commenting, and watch my previous video. Go watch. So guys, I've put like 6 portions, and you can see there are still some. So go to add in a container. That's why I was saying like kamande expands. Lentils do expand a lot. So you see these are already 7 portions, you can see. And we already ate some yesterday. That's why I say like it takes about about 8. 1 kg takes, I portion it 4 times. So that makes it like about 4 meals. Actually not even 4 meals, because remember I cook a lot. Like this portion we eat it for lunch and dinner. Of course with rice, not alone. I'm trying to balance it out. No wasting food. So I want to make sure that each and every So here I have my lentils. So that is 7 meals. So this is going to make my life so much easier. Can you see how beautiful they look in those packages? Huh? It looks so amazing, right? Yeah, I know. So guys, this is the fridge, and yeah, I usually clean it with some vinegar, which I've already put here in my water, and a cucumber. It is as simple as that, honestly, guys. I don't know why I'm sweating. Am I sweating? Or I'm glowing? I think I'm glowing. So, with a cucumber like this one, I go through. I wipe each and every surface. So that at least the vinegar helps it to become fresh. Helps the We are done with the cleaning of the fridge. You can see it's so shiny and clean. Yeah, so I have my baby here. He really wants my attention, but let me finish quick. You can see. Can you spot the difference? It is quite empty. We are yet to restock, but we're going to do so today or tomorrow. Actually tomorrow, because tomorrow is market day at our place. So I had already put my beans and lentils in the freezer because I didn't want them to spoil. You can see they are already frozen. Sorry. Yeah. I think that's it, guys, for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. And see you on the next one, guys. Bye bye.